we are in the famous cable car of Tbilisi, Georgia. And here comes the...
There's a balloon behind us.
Oh wow, good point, Dakota, wow. And the river, wow, what an awesome view from up here.
Oh Dad, did you see that skyscraper thing over there?
Oh yes, Eden.
Chinese.
Oh wow, we're already getting there? We sure are. Look at that guy right on the edge of the cliff. I mean, on the edge of the castle wall, or the fortress wall. Wow.
Not really.
I don't think I could do that.
Dad, there's a castle in the distance.
Okay guys, we are about to disembark. So let me put this away. I'm gonna hold everybody's hand. On the one side of the mountain is the old city, and then on this other side you have this beautiful forest, which is really exceptional views. We are next to the hollow Mother of Georgia statue, and at the top of the hill where the fortress is, and we have a couple of historical buildings here which date from the 19th century. The first building would have been the kitchen where the soldiers' meals would be prepared, and by separating it you could ensure that any fire would not destroy the entire barracks. And then the larger building here would have been the barracks for the soldiers that were stationed at the top of the hill. So this is where the bunks would have been and where the bathing facilities would have been for the garrison during the Russian occupation of Georgia. That's a rose, guys, that she gave you. Oh, you want to give her your feather? She gives you a rose, you give her a feather? We are walking along the walls of the Narikala Fortress in Tbilisi. Majestic countryside landscape of towering cedars and pines and deciduous trees. These fortifications were originally built in the 400s, and it subsequently passed between Persian rule. It started as Georgian, then Persian, then Georgian, then Arab, then Georgian, then Russian, then Georgian again. So it exchanged hands many times. One of the amazing things about Tbilisi is all of these buildings built immediately on the top of the cliff, on the face of the cliff, and the balconies that overhang the drop-off. I do not know if I could. I'm a little bit afraid of heights. I not know if I would be good at managing that. She wants to get your picture, Eden. Where are you from?
I'm from Moscow, and you?
Moscow?
Yes.
The United States.
Oh, what's your name?
Eden.
Eden. He likes to spell letters in the air.
Yes, yes.
Eden, like the Garden of Eden.
He studied.
Exactly. He's studying his letters and numbers, yeah. You guys made a hit with the Russian tourists. She said she was from Russia.
That doesn't mean no.
Yeah. We hope Russia gets democracy one day and freedom. Because they seem like they're normal people.
This would have been on the ground on the dinosaur ages.
So you think there could be fossils in there? The netting here obviously is to prevent a brick from landing on somebody's head. So it's a little bit precarious to come under this passage. We are entering the interior part of the complex here. How am I going to explain to Grandma that Dakota fell off a 20-foot wall that didn't even have a safety rail? I'm not an assumer, I'm a carefuler. Dakota, if an attacker was storming up the hill, do you think you'd be able to shoot down arrows upon him? Rain down hot, burning tar?
I feel like the torch makes it look nice. I really feel like if there's like an invader coming, they won't be able to get past.
What would stop them?
Because like the wall would be really strong, and that would give us enough time to go back to our house. Because they're like over there. If you don't have the materials, if you don't have enough time, you could get rocks and start throwing it down and it hurt them. Or what's it called? The thing we attack castles with?
Oh, the catapult
Yeah, we could make
or
catapults.
trebuchet. Well,
I don't have a son. I know. If you're that son, you grew up, and now I'm your son. After time. But I dodged it. I told you how powerful I was.
Well, I'm more powerful. Sorry, son. I made a
to go to